Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Gemini and loading the photo you want to edit. Once the image appears, make a precise subject selection with the lasso or brush. This tells Gemini which area to alter. Make sure edges are clean so clothing changes look natural. Next, choose the editing mode for garments, style transfer or replace, because each mode affects texture and fit differently. Don't pause. The selection and mode choice set the foundation for successful clothing replacement. Once done with selection, pick the garment style you want to apply and load any reference images to guide patterns and fabric behavior. You'll adjust fit and color sliders to match body proportions and scene lighting. This is critical because mismatched lighting gives away edits. Make sure to enable preserve face and body landmarks so proportions remain accurate. As you tweak texture and shadow intensity, preview several frames to confirm seams and folds align naturally with movement. You finish by refining seams and edges with local brush corrections, smoothing transitions where fabric meets skin, and checking shadows and highlights for realism. Once satisfied, export the image in your chosen format and save a layered or project file so you can revisit edits. If something looks off, first redo the selection and then tweak lighting or fit sliders. Adding more reference images often resolves texture mismatches. Remember, small iterative adjustments yield the most natural final.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.